not only to be able to play the data game, but play it well. The information architecture and the right metrics and technology. Let's equip your company with the top tools for looking after data properly, and, while you are putting those in place, we'll help them get the best from what you already have. Don't wait for everything to be perfect. Perfection is a disease when it comes to change. Make the most of now and plan for a better future. Architecture. Rohit Singh, Head of Data Architecture and Data Strategy at Santander Global Corporate Bank. Information architecture plays a critical role in data governance, data integration and automation within any organization. It brings people and technology together. Also, information architecture looks into all aspects of the different data sources that provide structured, unstructured, and other forms of data. Information architecture components, such as classification, information lifecycle, metadata management, definition and naming standards and security models, provide the foundational layer and consistent specification for any organization. Information architecture adds dimensions to data, that is, content, context, and users. Any company can add value to their data asset if they know in what context data is consumed. Information flow is a vital component for any firm to capture metadata around it to drive their business. When integrated with your organization's informational platforms and tools, like content management systems, digital asset management systems, search engines, websites, and portals, it will improve content organization, accessibility, reuse, and findability, making it more valuable. In today's world, organizations have diverse data structures within an organization, e.g. structure, semi-structure, and unstructure, and data volume is increasing day by day, so understanding the trust of association with every component of information across all systems will be even more important. The success of data analytics and insights will be heavily dependent on the architecture framework, which enables information exchange and sharing. Information architecture helps organizations to overcome challenges, to gain access to the information they need when they need it. Jacqueline Harrison, Head of Information Architecture at NFU Mutual. Information architects, as individuals, may operate inside the group IT domain or belong to business data teams. At heart, they are working to the same goal. They work in both project and business as usual modes to make sure data and data control aren't afterthoughts. Within a project, they contribute significantly to the solutions architecture proposals to make sure the data perspective is fully addressed. Too often, I've seen a business requirements document list out long streams of functional needs, but give no clear insight on the data and information needs. The business process cannot function without the right data. The architect plays a part in requirements gathering. Why do you need that data? To support what process? They make sure we architect solutions for the benefit of the broader organization and not create more silos. They use data models to raise the questions nobody else thought about. For example, can this asset be installed in multiple locations over its life cycle? They think about broader requirements. What document requirements and controls are needed? Are there any data-related reporting or regulatory obligations? They own or have a major role in creating migration strategies. What data do we need to move over to the new system? What options have we got? Where do we source it from? At the end of projects, we need the information architects to harvest back the valuable sets of project documentation that can too frequently get lost in project archives. The information architects would typically act as custodians.